kids. Good morning. Glad to see you again. Today our topic is how to trace capital letter D. Before I start this topic, I revise the previous topic which we already learned. First, we do revision of oral A to Z. Let us redo it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? Do you remember which rhyme we learned previously? Good. So let us we sing it again. Okay? You have to do action like me. I have toothbrush. I have toothbrush. Neat and gay. Neat and gay. To brush my teeth with every day. I brush them each morning. I brush them each night. All are shining, clean and bright. Okay? So daily you have to speak these both rhyme before you start to learn new letters. Okay? Previously we learned some letters. Okay? I show you that letters. You have to identify the letters. Which letter is this? Good. M. M for mango. Students, here I arrange some things. Okay? You have to identify mango. Let us find it. Where is mango? This is mango. No. Is this mango? No. This is mango. Yes. Good. So M for mango. Okay? Which letter is this? I. I for ice cream. Where is ice cream? This is ice cream? No. Is this ice cream? No. This is ice cream? Yes. So I for ice cream. Which letter is this? Very good. L. L for lion. Where is lion? This is lion? No. Is this lion? No. This is lion? Yes. So L for lion. Which letter is this? Good. E. E for elephant. Where is elephant? This is elephant? No. Is this elephant? Yes. So E for elephant. Which letter is this? F. F for flag. Where is flag? This is flag. No. Is this flag? Yes. So F for flag. Which letter is this? V. V for vase. Where is vase? This is vase. No. Is this vase? Yes. So V for vase. Which letter is this? K. K for key. Where is key? This is key. No. Is this key? Yes. So K for key. Which letter is this? Yes. X. X for Christmas tree. Where is Christmas tree? Yes. This is Christmas tree. X for Christmas tree. Which letter is this? N. N for newspaper. Where is newspaper? This is newspaper? Yes. So N for newspaper. Which letter is this? Y. Y for yellow. Where is yellow color? This is yellow color? No. This is yes. So Y for yellow. Which letter is this? Z. Z for zip. Where is zip? This is zip? No. Is this zip? Yes. So Z for zip. Which letter is this? A. A for apple. Where is apple? Is this apple? No. This is apple? Yes. So A for apple. Which letter is this? Good. T. T for tiger. Where is tiger? This is tiger? No. Is this tiger? Yes. So T for tiger. Okay students, I hope you all are understand all the letters and things regarding to the letters. Okay. Let us we learn our new topic, that is how to trace letter D. Okay. D for dog. D for donkey. Do you know what is this? Good. Dish. D for dish. Student, you all have this textbook for phonics sound. Okay? Open the page number 6. Look at here. D. The sound of D say D. D say D. D say D. D for dog. D for dog. D for doll. D for doll. D for duck. Okay? So daily when you learn the new letters, at that time you have to use this phonic textbook. Okay? Students, this is our English textbook. Open the page number 3838. Here you have to fill the color in capital letter D. First, trace the D with the help of your finger. First, up to down standing line. Then again make curve. Okay? Let us we fill the color. First, you have to fill the color in standing line this way. Here also the arrows are given which you have to follow. Now fill the color slowly in curve shape. This way. Okay? Don't fill the color out of these dots. Right? This way you have to fill the color in capital letter D. Students, you don't have to write down small d right now. Okay? Let's we learn how to trace capital D. Students, every time you have to remember that all the capital letters are written in only 3 lines. Okay? Here the dots are given. First, you have to join this dot from up to down and make standing line. Then join these dots and make curve in 3 lines only. Here the arrows are given which you have to follow it. Join the dots from up to down and make standing line in 3 lines. Then join these dots and make curve in 3 lines only. Again, join these dots, make standing line from up to down. Join these dots and make curve in 3 lines only. Standing line from up to down and make curve in 3 lines only. Okay students, so this way you have to trace capital D in your notebook. Students, you have this notebook for English subject term 1. Open the page number 102. Okay, here you have to trace capital letter D. Thank you.